Hey guys, what's up? It's Al from gmailfiend once again, and for this video I'll be showing you how to change the send cancellation period in Gmail. So if you don't know what it is, it's part of the undo send option, and that said option has its time limit, so you can change how many seconds you want it to be. So first things first is to, of course, have this page loaded by accessing your Gmail account. And once you have done that, then you can easily follow the steps of this tutorial. So next is by clicking the gear icon over here. So this one serves as your settings. So once you click that, just click see all settings. And over here you can see the general tab. It's beside the labels tab, and there are a lot of options as you can see, but we will focus on the fourth one, which is the undo send option. So as you can see, the current settings is set on 5 seconds. So let's try sending an email and try undo sending it within the given time frame. So let's just send an email to myself to make it quick. And please refer to the bottom part of the screen since that's where the undo send option usually shows up. So just click send. So just count 5 seconds, and as you can see, it disappeared. So if you want to make that longer, then what you have to do is to make it to however you like. So let's just say 10 seconds. I think that would be fair. So let's click save changes and wait for it to load. It should go back to your primary tab inbox. So as you can see, the email that I sent to myself a while ago was well received because I wasn't able to click the undo send option. So let's try it once again. So this time we have the 10 seconds time frame. So let's just type that. So as you can see, it was received already, but if I click undo, then it got unsent. So it will be a draft once again, and if you want to retype it or edit something, then that's when the undo send option is useful. So yes, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.